Hi guys, welcome back. Just doing a comparison video. I had talked to somebody about the mini T's, the new 2.0s. This is the anniversary one, and he was pretty much well into minis too. And I told him how we've been doing the mini stuff for years, ever since the first mini T, and RC18s and all the other small lines. But what I was going to do today, I was telling them about these NITRO 16 scales that came out back in like '02, I think it was. '02, '04? '02, '04, one of those. I'm going to say '04. I'd have to go back and look. But and he was like, he never heard of them. He never heard of the X-ray nt18 line. And I'm sorry, I said 16, but 18 scale. And which is this. And I told him, I said, well, you wouldn't believe how small they are. They use the .006 motors, and or the 06, and they're small, but they're amazing reliability and just quality of the vehicle itself. Way ahead of its time as far as the Mini T, but comparable setup. But these are four-wheel drive, obviously. So first, I just wanted to compare the Anniversary 2.0 next to my nt18 X-ray, and you can see basically they're the same size, same wheelbase, same front, pretty close. But these are electric, brushless, and they're fast and they're fun. But don't take away from these X-ray mini nitros. If you like nitro and minis, these were the most fun I've ever had. I've had a lot of the old nitro minis, like 16s, Vulcans, TMX, some other kind they had, more like generic brands, but X-ray was the best of that. This one's been ran a few times, maybe 3 times, maybe. It's a little dirty, but this mt18's definitely been driven quite a bit. But you can see the comparison between the Mini T 2.0 and this X-ray nt18t, because this is the stadium truck. Pretty comparable size. Then you move over to the mt18t, which is basically the same chassis, just monster truck tires and double shock and shock towers for front and back. But as you can see, still the same size. But these things can take so much abuse, and they're four-wheel drive. So that's the mt18. You can see the size of that, but nitro still, guys, and that's amazing. And then the landmark nt18. Now look at the size of that compared to the Mini T. So this is basically the nitro version of the M18, which is equivalent to the size of the micro RS4s. But again, it's nitro, guys. They're quick, they're fast, they're fun. We've got 3 of these brand new, and 1 used. This is the only mt18 I have, and I have 3 of these nt18s. So I'm going to do another video that just shows these with all the other ones we have. And we have several M18s. I'm going to say like 6 to 7 of those electric versions. But so yeah, just a quick explanation video of the comparison on the Mini T Awesome 2.0. This one we got a few upgrades, shock towers, arms, servo, receiver, a lot of stuff upgraded on that. And of course, our pride and joys are these mini nt18s. These things are so awesome, so small. But again, the same chassis, center chassis of all 3. But the nt18 trucks basically have metal spur, and they come with different pivot balls and stuff like that, which not really needed on the nt18. So this is an on-road car, that's a monster truck, and that's a stadium truck. So yeah, just a quick comparison on the X-rays nitro micro line, which are the world's smallest production vehicles right here, nitro, versus the Mini T. Awesome cars, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.